If you can keep your hearts and minds open, you'll continue conquering the world together. Never stop trying new things and engaging in each other's passions. Our lives might change as our families grow, but know that we are here to support you both through anything for the rest of our lives.
Chelsea, I promise to always be adventurous with you, curious with you, take new risks with you. I promise to be by your side to celebrate your highs. And more importantly, I will always be there for your lows. Even if it means having to convince myself that it's okay that you're crying over the temporary death of an imaginary character.
Take me places where the winds don't blow, so I won't let go.
Your commitment to each other is the reason why, from the first time we all saw Chelsea's face light up, the first time you walked into a room with us, Rohan, we knew that one day you would be here. That eventually, you'd make the promises that you're about to make to one another. And that forever, you'd continue to do whatever you needed to do to make your relationship not just work, but thrive.
To an unwavering commitment to make this marriage work for a lifetime. Those foundational similarities are what make me know that they have absolutely made the right decision and that they are going to have a long and adventuresome and blessed life together.
Oh my God.
Fire and stone in places unknown. I'll never let go. I'll never let go.
And as I was worked up, walking around the kitchen, you stopped me, put your hands on my shoulders, and said, "I will help you if you need help. You never have to do anything in life alone again." This wasn't a special moment. It wasn't some proclamation that you made for show. It was a simple truth. You said it so casually, like a little reminder. This promise and your commitment so deeply true that it didn't even register as a life-changing sentiment for you. And as you walked off singing some silly pop song, I thought to myself, I can't believe I was lucky enough to find you.
If I could come close to the standard set by the best man I've ever known in my life, I knew I would be doing just fine. And so like, you don't know how valuable you've been to me in my life, how much you've like just been a trailblazer my entire life. And I love you guys so much, and I just want to wish you both just the happiest life possible. And here's to you both, just a lifetime of lessons along the way.
The rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. The rest of our
Now, outwardly, you are very different. I mean, look at you. You come from very different backgrounds. You've had very different upbringings and ultimately different life perspectives. And a lot of people would think that this might challenge your relationship, cause turmoil. But you guys have proven that the converse is true. being able to respect each other's differences, you've actually made your relationship worthwhile, more exciting, and stronger.
The rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. Oh, the rest of our lives.
In many moments over the last 5 years, I've promised you that I will always love you. But in this moment, I promise something more. Today, I promise that I will forever seek you out, to look to you first, and to never stop reaching for you. For every day of this beautiful life that we're building together, and for whatever happens after our time is done here, I will find you.